Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to Sunday Unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Luna display. This device is a very tiny device that you connect to your computer, and that device connects in that device connects to your iPad, and your iPad is able to transmit what you see on the computer on your iPad, and you can control everything on the iPad that you see on the computer. So it's an amazing little device. At least I hope it is. So let's open it up